I'm here with Hoarder Sam,
Hi.
and we're both in the DARPA Lift challenge, so that's pretty cool to see him here.
Yeah.
And hey, so how is your experience here?
Pretty fun. I didn't get off the ground, but just being able to meet everyone and seeing everyone's cool drones just made it really worth it. So no regrets. I'm glad I'm here.
Awesome. I agree 100%. There's a lot of crazy ideas here. I mean, this one is pretty crazy in itself.
In some way, I brute forced it a bit.
Yeah.
I just thought big engine go, and then I just went full throttle with that. So
I
it's
love
one
it.
way to solve it.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Can you just give us a brief? I mean, so Hoarder Sam has his own videos about this already, but could you just give me like a 10 or 30-second rundown of how this works real quick?
Yeah, well, I just thought of what engine can make over 200 pounds of thrust and is light enough, and I found one that worked, which is a paramotor engine.
Yeah.
And so my sole thought process was use engine and figure out some way to control it. And this is what I ended up with. It's basically an engine mounted on top of an electric quadcopter.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I love it. Can I ask, are you using Arducopter to control it?
I should. It's right now it's on beta flight, which is a mistake. I guess
whatever.
I have the only beta flight drone here, but
Really?
maybe.
Maybe.
Turns out you
That's
need
possible.
automation for this challenge.
Yeah,
So
well, it helps.
beta flight wouldn't really be the best choice for this.
Yeah, that's probably true.
Yeah.
I tried flying manually the other day, just a little bit, just to get my distance up, and I really struggled to stay in the lane.
Yeah, you think 50 feet is pretty wide until you realize like the drone is already 10 feet wide to begin with. So it's like, oh yeah, there's not
Yeah.
a lot of room to work with.
Very good point with that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, cool. That's awesome. Thanks. I don't know if they do this again next year. Do you think you would participate again?
I would participate again, although I fear they're going to make it really hard. They haven't announced anything, but knowing them, they're going to change things up a lot. So
They probably would make some
yeah.
changes.
I'll team up with some good minds, maybe you, and maybe we
Yeah.
can team up. Or
That would be
something.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
We'll have to talk about it.
Yeah.
Sweet. All right. Well, thanks. It was great to meet you here.
All right. Thanks to meet you too.
Yeah.